Arges. Arges.
What? Who's that? Omid?
Hi.
What's up?
Hey, so I was just sent over here real quick to talk to you about your rollout.
Oh, okay.
So you know how we've been putting a lot of stuff about you on social media now that you've been released?
Sure do. We're gonna make people rethink what a remote spotlight is capable of, right?
Of course, of course. And you remember how we did that video about one of you being installed on an expedition?
Harold!
Yeah. Wait, what?
That's who you installed on the expedition. Harold.
Really? Wait, really? Anyways, people on social media have been talking.
About how bright I am.
Well, no.
1,800 lumens.
Yeah, 1,800 of them, but no, they're saying...
They love my revolutionary control. I can do this.
Yeah, Arges, that's great, but that's not what they're talking about.
Whew. Ta-da. What? What are they saying?
Well, Arges, I don't know how to break this to you, but they're saying you're ugly.
What was that?
Ugly, Arges. They're saying you're ugly.
What? They said what exactly?
I don't have to read it. I think I'm just gonna go.
Read it, Omid.
El Federal 01 says, stick to the old-fashioned ones on the police cars.
That is hideous.
Hideous? What else are they saying?
Let's see. Sandman says, wow, that's incredibly ugly. Then EF Garcia 9505 responds, agreed, LOL. Traditional spotlight with an upgraded Whelen LED light is better looking. And then the first guy responds with, heck yeah, if this was on my district truck, it would have a very unfortunate accident.
He'd rather kill me than have me on his truck.
Arges, come on.
I'm hideous.
You're not, you're actually very sleek and well engineered, but that's beside the point.
They'd rather have an old remote spotlight.
Well, that's just because they don't know you. I mean, someone made a comment about not wanting to drill holes in their fender to attach you. Clearly not realizing that you have to drill into the A-pillar for other spotlights, which is so much more invasive and hard to replace than a fender.
So, what?
So what I'm saying is that you're new, you look different, you act different, and people don't always love that right away. But you wouldn't be here if you weren't better than everything else that's on the market. What spotlight has more flexibility than you?
None of them.
What other spotlight has situational awareness?
Just me, I guess.
Name another spotlight that has as much precision and control.
It doesn't exist.
A thing is a thing, not what's said of that thing. You're the best remote spotlight on the market. Who cares if someone thinks you're ugly?
I'm the best remote spotlight on the market. And I'm beautiful.